Hi guys, good morning. It's your Ingeniero Chuper and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, meron na naman tayong gagawin sa unit ko. So join me because I just got this package. I ordered this from Sir Kanoto Yang. I believe hindi ako yung first na nag-upgrade or nagbili nito para ikabit sa unit. But after so many considerations, I've come into a conclusion na kailangan ko na talagang bilhin siya para ikabit sa unit ko. Kasi it's been 4 years and a half. If I have the chance to do it again or to do it earlier, I suggest do it earlier. So, eto buksan na natin para makita natin kung ano yung loob. Grabe, nakapack. Parang ayaw pa buksan. So, just like I said, I am not the first to do this, but I recommend na bumili kayo ng ganito, especially for the core variant. So ito siya guys, inside the package, the screws or attachments kailangan natin para ikabit ito, and this one. So ito yung top engine cover. So dito siya dapat guys, ayan, ganyan siya dapat. So with this one, mas gaganda yung itsura ng unit ko. Kasi nga, just like I said earlier, yung core variants is parang pinagkaitan ng kagandahan ng engine. Kasi the style and the Alpha, which hindi na available ngayon, is merong ganito. May engine top cover. May ganyan. So, why not the core variant? So, alam naman natin na the core variant is the base model. So, syempre, tinipid. Siguro nakasave sila ng ganito. Ito, nasa mga 2.5 plus. So, ito guys, oh. Ito siya. So, this one is hard plastic. And, ano talaga siya? Heat resistant. So, pag nandyan siya, number one reason na bumili ako nito, syempre, pampapogi. Number two is for safety. Para, pag nandyan yan, hindi masyadong expose yung engine sa daga, 'di ba? Syempre, pag ganyan yung itsura, pagkakita ng daga, uy, easy. Pero pag meron ganito, kailangan pa nilang gumapang, 'di ba? But anyways, after that one is yung protection niya para yung heat sa hood, especially when you are under the heat of the sun, hindi siya directly sa engine kasi alam naman natin na mainit na yung engine plus pa yung mainit sa environment going through the hood, mas iinit yung engine. And then also, pag nagpapalinis tayo, protected yung vital parts which is the ignition and itong top part ng engine. So without further ado, let's install this. These additional bolts and brackets are included in this package. So thanks to Sir Kanoto K. Yang, finally, magagawa ko na to sa unit ko. So first, let's locate the 4 points here. Yun yung lalapatan ng engine top cover sa engine natin. Okay? So syempre, ganyan siya. I'll show you guys which bolts ang tatanggalin natin at ipapalit natin to. Sige, gawin na natin to. So ito yung guys, ito yung setup niya. So dapat yung maliit dito, then yung isang mataas dito, and then the other one is here. Alright, and then tighten natin siya with this one. Sakto lang para hindi mabasag at the same time hindi rin matanggal dahil sa vibration. Alright, so let's go. Salpak na natin to since na-tighten na natin lahat, I think. Alright, salpak natin to dyan. Kasi itong part na to, itong bolt na ito ilalagay. Kasi ito, meron siyang rubber. So, yung ball joint, yun yung mag-fix sa mounting. Alright? So, ayan guys. Sakto na siya. Salpak na natin. We just need to align yung mga ball joints. Tiin lang natin. There you go. And then last one. All right. Whew. Grabe. Ayan guys, mission accomplished. Turn on natin kung meron bang vibration. Ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo in close up. Yun no? Haha. So, ito yung setup niya. Dito yung isang screw. Dito. Then, dito. Alright, ito yung isang bracket. And then, yung bolt dito. And then, the other bracket also on the other side. So, malinis na siya tignan. Hindi na siya base model. Alright, I'm so happy. No regrets for adding this one in my bucket list. So, ayan guys, that's the end of this video. Pinagpapawisan ako. Hindi madali mag-DIY, but it's worth it and kaya naman. So, if you want this kind of upgrade, engine top cover, para sa mga core variants applicable, so just contact Sir Kanoto K. Yang kasi sa kanya ako nakabili and then mabilis lang yung transaction. And sakto yung bracketing niya. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. It's your Inhinyerong Chopper. Please comment down below what you think about this upgrade. For me, it's necessary, especially magiging out of warranty na yung unit ko. So it's worth it. God bless, stay safe, drive safe. Alright.